In this video, I'll show you how to create and export a GIF in Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's nice and straightforward. Just head over to File in the top left hand side, come down to New and then select Project. Then just go ahead and create a new project. Once you have your project created, you then need to go and drag your video footage into the timeline. From your video footage, move the playhead to where you want the GIF to start. Once you've selected the starting position for your GIF, you need to press the letter I on your keyboard. Then simply move the playhead to where you want the GIF to finish. Make sure this is no longer than 6 seconds from the starting point. Once you've selected your endpoint for the GIF, you need to press the letter O on your keyboard. Then we need to zoom into our timeline just by holding down the left mouse click button and dragging this slider like so. Once you've zoomed in as far as you can on the timeline, you then need to drag this selection one square backwards like so. Then finally head over to the export button in the top, give your file a name, I'm just going to call it GIF, select the location for where we want this to be saved to, I'll select my download folder and click save. From the format drop down, we need to select animated GIF, expand the video tab at the bottom here, next to frame size, uncheck this option, head inside of the drop down and we're going to change this to custom, make sure the dimensions are 256 by 144, then finally come down to export, wait a few seconds while it exports your GIF. Then finally head over to the folder where you saved your file, double click on the GIF, and as you can see, we've now created our GIF. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.